In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your hacked Discord account. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If your Discord account has been hacked and now you want to recover it, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type discord.com/support. Then click on search. Click on this Discord support option. At the top right corner of your screens you will see this submit request option, so click on it. Click on the drop down and select hacked account. Okay, now in order to recover your hacked Discord account, you need to fill out this form. So first you need to enter your email address that was linked with your hacked Discord account. Then you need to enter your Discord account username. After that you need to enter the email address once again. Then click on this drop down and tap on I clicked on a link. Then click on the second drop down and select yes. In the subject section you need to type hacked account recovery. Scroll down, and in this description box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide the details how your Discord account was hacked. Once you have done that, click on the submit option, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours your hacked Discord account will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.